We've been in business about 25 years. I started building cabinetry in my basement in the house, evolved to a barn, another bigger building. As the kids got involved, my wife started helping, and it just grew and grew and grew. And so now all of our mission is just to be an astounding, innovative kitchen cabinet partner. It's just a ton of fun to be someone's best resource, helping them through a very difficult experience, an expensive experience, trying to help them find best value. As far as a family business goes, we all have our own little niche too, because Jason is just such a great communicator, organizer in relations with contractors. My wife Leah in the showroom. We have a daughter who manages our tech implementation, our ERP system, Salesforce, and everybody seems to be a whiz at something specific.
So we are trying to always make sure that we're helping the contractor as much as we can, making sure that we can be their partner as well as the client's partner, because it takes more than just the cabinet provider to get a kitchen done. It takes the contractor who can do the floors, the lights, the plumbing, the electrical.
You guys are help building kitchens, which are the heart of the home for so many families. What does that mean to you guys?
Well, I'll tell you what it means to me. It's a lot of fun, and it is collaborative. Someone's excited about their house, their future in their house. It's awesome. It's a lot of fun. Every day you leave thinking that was a great day.
Oh, that's cool. Wow, that's amazing. Can you tell us a little bit about the process?
So it goes discovery, budget, design, ordering, install, and follow-up.
Okay.
So discovery would be us learning more about them learning more about us, see if we're a good fit for each other, how can we work together, what is it that the scope of your project, where are you located, that sort of thing, so we can understand if we're a right fit. And we don't want to force us on other people, so we want to make sure that we're a good fit for the client as well. So we highly recommend people to shop around, go to other people as well to come to us, because we want them to be confident when they choose us. We don't want them to feel stressed or pressured using us. So
some people are dreamers, they're just thinking about the idea. Some people are exploring, like how much would it cost? You know, I've got a lot of numbers to put together. I've got appliance costs, I've got counter costs. So to put that whole thing together, that's like an explorer piece of the puzzle. The next piece after that is shopping. Then someone moves from explorer into shopping, like looking for cabinets. And why are we the best value? That's an easy one for us, because we have stock, semi-custom, or a mix. Sometimes we'll have a stock kitchen with a beautiful custom hood because they've got this image. And so we'll mix and match to find that best value. So when someone gets to the stage where they're ready to shop for cabinets, we have that mapped out in our process, and then we move on to ordering, installation, and follow-up.
that's part of the reason we do it, because we are confident in what we do.
Yeah.
But we are so confident that we're like, go around, shop it.
Yeah.
Because you'll see, look at our reviews. We have so many 5-star Google reviews. Look at our reviews, talk to people that we've done projects with, because we know that we can give you good quality, good service. And so we're not afraid of you shopping around and going to other places.
It's a testament to your confidence in your work, I think so, for sure. Can you tell us a little bit about the space we're standing in right now?
Sure. This is our showroom. It's very minimal. We have a different approach to showrooms. And we don't want clients to be overwhelmed with decisions. We want to walk through the decision process. We don't want to look at door style first thing. We want to figure out where your fridge goes. Because if we're trying to solve your door style and we don't even know where your fridge goes, so we want to step people through that. We also use virtual appointments very effectively. We have AI visualizer tools which help people just on command kind of take your space, give you budget levels from that. Client managers meet with a client and help understand their project, put their details together, and help guide them. And the drafters are the ones doing the work, putting together that 3D imagery that we can email out to you and then put into our AI visualizer.
I was gonna say, I don't know that our process has changed too much. I think, like you had said earlier, the efficiency at which we do it is what changes.
The technology, often I describe to people, we're not a cabinet company, we're a technology company that builds cabinets. We're very tech heavy. We want, it's the tech where we solve the problems where, you know, everything is coordinated, scheduled, and managed with technology.
Yeah.